welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. It is going to be the parts phone for this other phone I have over here. Let me put this back together real quick. I'm going to take a look at it and see what we got. Hopefully it works, because the other one I have got a good battery. That's pretty much it. It doesn't seem to turn on, just stays at the Sprint logo. So hopefully. We'll get lucky and this one works. The listing said it was untested, so yeah, we have no idea. There it is. This is the HTC EVO 3D. Like I said, I just picked one of these up recently, right here. This cracked one. It does have a battery right here. The battery's good, but it just goes onto the Sprint screen and won't boot up. So hopefully this one we have better luck with. Looks like it comes with a case. It already seems to be in a lot better shape than the other one I have, so that's nice. It's Virgin Mobile. That kind of sucks. I was hoping for a Sprint one, but see, I did try to factory reset this one and it still didn't work. It's got a bulged out battery, a replacement bulged out battery. Let me see, that battery's bad on both sides. It has a SD card in there, a 32 gigabyte SD card. That's pretty sweet. Let's grab our replacement battery. I'm going to turn it on real quick. This battery should be charged. Alright, there we go. Once we just go to reboot. Maybe. There you go. So yeah, it seems to be in a really good shape. Let me see what we can figure out maybe. Let's go and power it off, try to turn it back on. This one might have some board issues as well. That would suck. Well, both the buttons are working fine. So yeah, it looks like this one has board issues. But we're going to take a look around, I guess, real quick. Like I said, it's in really good shape. The Sprint one I have. I can see it's missing this piece, the button. Yeah, it's pretty rough. This is coming off the back cover. So yeah, I guess I'll have to see if I can get this other one to work then maybe, or see what I need to do. But there's a quick unboxing for you. I'll be posting more videos pretty soon, guys. I finally got most of the phones cleaned up that I've recently got. So I should be able to do some more reviews pretty soon. I got a couple more phones coming in also. So yeah, I did actually want to record a unboxing video of two iPhone first generations I picked up on eBay. But I guess I lost the footage somehow, so I don't have that one. But I'll do probably, I still need to do my smartphone collection, so we'll probably do that pretty soon. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next one.